I'm Christy.
And I'm Tiana.
And we're at the Animal Kingdom Lodge.
Yes, we're gonna have such a fun, exciting day.
And this is the last day of our Disney World vacation. So we're having a resort day and a Disney Springs day. And we're also gonna be going to Fantasia mini golf.
And we're gonna be eating breakfast at Boma Animal Kingdom Lodge.
Yes. Hi, so we're currently at the Animal Kingdom Lodge and we're at Boma and we're going to be trying the breakfast buffet for the first time, and so far it seems good.
It's delicious. It has a lot of vegan-friendly options.
Yeah, so we're going to show you the vegan options that we got and try them and let you know how we like them. So we have a vegan quiche, vegan Mickey waffles, coconut oatmeal, tomatoes, asparagus, tofu scramble, a papaya and avocado fruit bowl, and as well as some assorted fruit and bagels. I don't know which one to start with. I have my bagel with avocado first. I'm gonna have this one.
It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by.
We're at Fantasia mini golf, or we're in person mini golf.
Did you get a hole in one? No.
How do you like mini golf so far?
I love it. It's fun.
My third? Yeah. No. You got 4, I got 3.
We're actually tied.
Yeah. So we just finished playing mini golf at the Fantasia Gardens, but we had to cut it short because it's very hot out here and it currently feels like 102 degrees. So we're gonna head over to Disney Springs to do bowling and air conditioning and also do a little bit of swimming as well.
Gathered by the sea, sand people anxiously. Not once did speak to me. When tides came, did not flee.
We just got back from Disney Springs. We went shopping at Ron John. We got some bathing suits. Now we're at the resort ready to swim and eat some lunch.
Our next stop is Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter and we're here to try the beignets, go swimming, and enjoy the resort. Oh, they're hot, they're hot. Try the beignets and do some swimming, but I hope you like seeing what we did at a resort day at Disney World, and hopefully we'll be back at Disney World soon.
Yes, but we had such a fun day.
So we wanted to do a little recap on our favorite part of our trip to Disney World. So what was your favorite part?
My favorite
trying a lot of new good vegan food on this trip. Like going to Boma. It's now our new favorite restaurant here in Israel.
Boma
So
and Looking the
definitely
Watch, go there.
go there.
That's the best restaurant ever, hands down, period.
And going,
Especially if you're vegan.
yes. And going to the after hour event for the first time.
And the Hollywood Studios trying the 100 pounds of Tochos.
Comment down below if you think we should do another Disney World trip or if we should go to Universal.
Or any other suggestions of places you think we should go next. And make sure to leave a comment and give a thumbs up if you love seeing your favorite sisters go on vacation together.